Welcome to the installation video of the DAC Universal D. Only technicians trained with a training certificate issued by the manufacturer are qualified to perform the installation of DAC Universal D. Please use only original spare parts from Dentsply Sirona. First step, unboxing the DAC Universal D. After opening the box, please remove the blue lid, the check and clean kit, and the hose. Place them close to the installation site. After taking out the intermediate carton, please remove DAC oil and uncover the device from the felt. Be careful when handling the device. It is a heavy item. Two grips on the left and right side of the device help you to make the handling easier. Put the device on a solid and level surface, ideally directly to the place intended for the installation. The Check and Clean kit contains the following items: Check and Clean cap, Check and Clean lid, NitroClean cleaning tablets, 1 blister of 10 pieces, a syringe, cotton rolls, a pack of 10, a screwdriver for the drain filter, 1 drain filter, and O-rings. Additionally, to the scope of delivery, please double check if 6 separate adapters were delivered per 1 blue lid. Please check the scope of delivery and fill in the parts on page 3 of the installation and handover checklist. Now, we'll take a closer look at the installation kits. 2 different installation kits are available. The siphon installation kit contains a siphon with direct connection, connector siphon 0.24 inch, 1 hose, a manometer, a pack of 6 drain filters, a pack of 50 pieces NitroClean cleaning tablets. This installation kit is used if DAC Universal D will be connected directly to the drain. Alternatively, a drain tank installation kit is available. This contains a drain tank, a manometer, a hose, a pack of 6 drain filters, and a pack of 50 pieces NitroClean cleaning tablets. This kit is used if no direct connection to the drain is possible. Please also check if the scope of delivery of the ordered installation kit is complete and fill in the form on page 3 of the installation and handover checklist. Remove the red transport plug and unscrew the transport bottle. The next step is inserting DAC oil. Please make sure that only original DAC oil is used. Remove the white cap from the new DAC oil bottle. Press the black top of the oil bottle to release the transport lock. Insert the oil bottle and screw down into the thread of the oil dispenser. Turn the oil bottle carefully clockwise until you meet resistance. Turn the device located with back end in front to have easy access to the connections. Now we start with the installation. The first possibility to connect DAC Universal D is a direct connection to the drain. Therefore, the installation kit siphon is needed, and the following requirements must be fulfilled. Maximum length of the drain hose is 9.85 feet, with a size of 0.24 inch outer diameter, 0.15 inch inner diameter, and the hose must be manufactured of heat-resistant material, for example, Teflon. If possible, please use the hose delivered. The hose can be shortened any time. For removing the black caps, use a 12-inch wrench. The siphon has to be mounted as shown. Screw tight. Please make sure that the hose is connected to the corresponding outlet on DAC Universal D. Check the union nut for tightness. Therefore, use the 12-inch wrench. The second possibility to connect DAC Universal D is a drain tank. Maximum length of the drain hose is 9.85 feet, size 0.24 inch outer diameter, 0.15 inch inner diameter, and the hose must be manufactured of heat-resistant material, for example, Teflon. If possible, please use the hose delivered. The hose can be shortened any time. Please make sure that the hose is connected to the corresponding outlet on DAC Universal D. Check the union nut for tightness and connect the hose to the drain tank. The general requirements for compressed air are: the air pressure must be between 72.5 and 116 psi. Therefore, the flow pressure must be at least 12.85 gallons per minute at 72.5 psi. The tube size 0.25-inch outer diameter and 0.15-inch inner diameter is required for the connection between DAC Universal D and the available compressed air supply. This tube is not part of the scope of delivery. The compressed air fed into DAC Universal D must be dry, filtered to 25 micrometers, and free of any oil residues larger than 2 micrometers. After connecting the tube to the corresponding outlet on DAC Universal D, install a shutoff valve as shown. Afterwards, please make sure that the manometer is installed and the combined filter is screwed on the wall as shown. The combination filter shall be installed approximately 3.28 feet before DAC Universal D. For a comfortable connection, use the quick coupling connection as shown. It has a flow direction. Please check the complete connection and the correct installation of the combination filter. Check the union nut for tightness. To do so, use the 12-inch wrench. General requirements for water supply. Please use only demineralized or distilled water for DAC Universal D. Tap water may contain limestone, which damages both the instruments and DAC Universal D. The water conductivity should be less than 3.0 microsiemens per centimeter. Before running DAC Universal D for the first time, please double-check the conductivity. There are two possibilities for filling the DAC Universal D. The first possibility is the fixed connection to a central water treatment unit. Therefore, just connect the water hose. The hose must be 0.24-inch outer diameter and 0.15-inch inner diameter, and a minimal flow rate of 0.05 gallons per minute must be ensured. Please make sure that the hose is connected to the corresponding outlet on DAC Universal D. Check the union nut for tightness. Therefore, use the 12-inch wrench. The hose is not part of the scope of delivery. Install a shutoff valve as shown. The second option is a manual filling of the water tank. For this, remove the water tank and fill it manually with demineralized or distilled water. The requirements are the same as mentioned before. If you use this option, leave the black plug on the corresponding outlet on DAC Universal D. Please use the original medical device power cable and insert it into the corresponding outlet. Before starting DAC Universal D for the first time, the blue lid has to be equipped with the corresponding adapters. For mounting them correctly, please read the adapter operating instructions carefully. Please pay attention to the general notes for all adapters. Make sure that the gasket matches the screw holes and that the O-rings on the adapters are new. O-rings have to be checked weekly and have to be exchanged after 90 days. Before we start with the installation, please make sure that the installation site meets the following requirements. The minimum free space required is 4 inches distance to the wall and 28 inches height. As mentioned, choose an open, well-ventilated area as well as a solid and level location. Position DAC Universal D in between the unclean and clean side. Now we put DAC Universal D into the working position and switch on the device with the main power switch on the back side of the device. If you use automatic water supply, please check the water settings in the main menu of the device. By touching the function key, Settings, Automatic Supply of Demineralized Water, you could switch the function, Automatic Supply of Demineralized Water, on. No confirmation is needed. Now your device is ready for the test run to see if everything is connected firmly and correctly. When you have made sure that all media are present as described, connect the instruments on the corresponding adapters, insert the lid into the device, and start a cycle with instruments on the lid. The successful test run is confirmed on the display. Afterwards, complete the installation and handover checklist from the technical side. Now, the device is ready to be handed over to the dental surgery team.